Hello guys, Kumar here. Welcome to our channel Problem Solver Team. Now today we are going to start differences between traditional ladder diagram and PLC ladder diagram. This program read input status of outside start value and send the result to the output point. Now this program works. The output result is calculated based on the ladder diagram. The PLC ladder diagram program is scanned from up to down and left to right. The PLC ladder diagram editing tool WPLsoft will be able to detect the error occurring in the ladder diagram. Now program is ready. WPLsoft I will simulate this program. Now this compile this program and simulator, then online mode. This stop mode. Now run mode. Now this program, when I press X0, Y0 is on. This is last circuit. Now this X0 is on, Y0 on. This last circuit. Now X0 is off, then Y0 is on because you are last Y0. Now second rule, M0, X3 and X10 is on, Y1 is on. M100, X3, X10 is on, Y1 is on. M100 is memory bit. Now this page, we know that M integration M0, M1 to M4095 are integrated as a M numbered in decimal form. This is M memory bit. Now when I press M100 and X3 and X10, this Y0 is on, then N1 is off, output is off. Second rules complete. Third rules, X100 and M505 is memory bit. X100 is input section. Now this indication, input indication, X0, X1, X7, X10, X11 are indicated as X and numbered in octal form. The number of input points are made on MPU and extension module. This X100 bit, memory bit. Now when I press X100 and when I press M505, is output is on. Now Y126 is external memory output. This program is complete. Thank you for my watching.